don't run. Don't run. No, get over here. You're Peach. Hi, Peach. Prisoner. Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter types. Doors. See? I wonder what's in there. Let's send Sammy in there. She is a prisoner after all. Come on. She's going. She's going. And she's gone. Dang.